So here's how we can set a volume limit on the Android phone. Let me talk about it and get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So you can find it on your Samsung phone or Android phone when you go to your settings like this, and just make sure you are on the main page with the main menus. And from those, you need to find the sounds and vibration, which is somewhere closer to the top. So you can tap on it like this and explore the more options available in here. So you can see we have the sound quality and effects. So you can see plenty of different ways to manage the sound on your phone, but we are interested in the volume section like this, and you can manage it right in here. And in at the top right, you have the media volume limit. So if it's, as you can see, part of the volume settings, again, if you tap on the three dots, we have the media volume limit, and you can enable it like this. Right, so you can tap on it, click on the on toggle, and you also choose the limit interval, right? So you can see how much it can limit it, and you have the controller right here. So that's how you can decide, right? Obviously, we can make the limit a little bit shorter or longer, however you like it, but you also have the ability to lock it, right? So you have the option to set volume limit pin code. If you click on it, you set up a brand new PIN code, a 4-digit one, which is going to be separate from the one used to unlock the device, right? So this is going to give you the ability to make sure nobody can change this volume setting. So this is the volume limit. Let me know if you manage to find it on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to see you later in the future uploads.